Welcome, my dear students, in Prep 1. Our session today is about negative integer powers. Let's see how can we deal with a negative integer powers. If we have any rational number a and an integer n, in this case, if a to the power negative n, a to the power negative n equals 1 over a to the power n. So I'll change this negative to positive and get the reciprocal of the rational number. Also, a to the power n is the same as 1 over a to the power negative n. It means that if you have a to the power n times a to the power negative n, it will be 1. Okay, as we studied before, the rules, if you have the same base, you can add the powers. If you add n plus negative n, it will be 0, and any number to the power 0 will be 1. Okay, let's take some exercises. The first one, here we have 2 over 5 to the power negative 2. This here we have a negative power, so I'll get the reciprocal, which is 5 over 2. Then I'll change the negative into positive, so it will be 5 over 2 to the power positive 2. It means 25 over 4. The next one, I have 5 to the power negative 2 over 5 to the power negative 3. Actually, we can use the rules we have studied in the last session, or we can get the reciprocal and change the power into positive. So it will be 5 to the power 3 over 5 to the power 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, so equals 5. By the same way, if you use the rule in the last session, I'll subtract the powers. I have the same base, so I subtract the powers. Negative 2 minus negative 3 equals 1. Okay, so you can use any rule you want. The last one here, 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power negative 3. Okay, we can add the powers because we have the same base and multiplication, so I can add the powers. 4 plus negative 3 is 1, so it's equal to. Also, we can get the reciprocal of 2, which is 1 over 2 power 3. So for that reason, 2 to the power 3 here, I get the reciprocal of 2, 1 over 2, and I change this sign to positive. So I have 2 to the power 4 over 2 to the power 3, which is 2. 2 to the power 4 minus 3, which is 2. Okay, here we have 5 to the power 3 times 5 to the power negative 2 over 5 to the power negative 1 times 5 to the power 4, all to the power negative 2. At first, I'll perform the operation inside the brackets. Here we have 3. All the numbers have the same base, so I'll add the two numbers, the two powers here, because I have multiply, and then I'll subtract the two powers here. Okay, so I have 5 to the power 3 plus negative 2 minus negative 1 and also minus 4, all to the power negative 2. It will be 5 to the power negative 2, all to the power negative 2. Here we have a rule. I'll multiply the two powers, so it will be 5 to the power 4. Yes, excellent. 5 to the power 4 is 625. Okay, so if you have a negative power, take the reciprocal, then change the negative into positive, and as usual, you can solve in this exercise. Okay, that's all about our session today. Next session in algebra will be scientific notation of the rational number. It's a very interesting lesson. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have understand our session today. Thank you and goodbye.